I'm at 5045 North 39th Street, and I'm at the front of the house. We've got an angled deck, but it looks like it's in good shape. A little scraping and painting. A little bit of a gutter downspout repair. We're going to just take, remove, do a little bit of landscaping. Let's check out this side. We got a little debris on the side of this house that we're going to have to clean up. It looks like from here, I don't know if you can see it with my arm, but it looks like that there's some roof or some debris. I don't know if that's a rubber roof or the shingles over that gutter edge on the back. We're probably going to have some problems we're going to have to repair. If you see that it looks like they started wrapping, or they did wrap, and then there's some fascia that's been torn off the side, so we're going to have to repair that. The siding looks like it's in good shape. The windows at this angle looks like it's good. This one, the glass is out, or it doesn't look. It looks like it needs to be repaired. Same with that one. That's going to need to be repaired. We have a little bit more landscaping here. Let's look over here. We've got a little concrete, just so you can see it. We have the concrete bowing a little bit towards the house. This piece. So that's going to be an issue with grading, obviously, with the water coming towards the house. That probably should be replaced. The others look good. I'm going to take a step back and see if I can see the roof really quick. Okay, so the roof looks older. We'll see what it looks like in the back, but it looks like that this the upper part of this porch is weak. So we're going to have to probably repair that. Repair and or replace. It looks like that there's 2 layers, so it would have to be a tear off if we replace. Let's check out the back. We got some covers over the basement windows. We got some fencing. It's bowing a little bit. We'll just have to adjust it. We do have some damage. This is our fence, so we have some damaged pieces that we would have to repair. We do have a parking spot back here off the main road. That's Hopkins, and so they would have to come in that way. And then obviously we have 37th or 39th behind us. It looks like it used to have a gate on it. They took the gate off. Again, a little bit more repair for the fencing, a little bit more cleanup debris. Cleanup on the siding on the back here. So it looks like that it's like coming apart. We're gonna have to repair that. And there's your roof. The bad thing about this roof is that you could see that, let me try to get an angle so you can see it. The roof wasn't done right. It's sagging in the center. You could see that there's some, the shingles, the way that it bows over, that OSB, so the sheeting underneath is not done, it wasn't prepped right or hasn't been done right. You got a little bit of a connection over here as well. It looks like that there's a hump. That shows that the OSB or the sheathing in the bottom was not done properly. So I would say, and then how it hangs over to the gutter says that I don't think that the apron was done properly or the roof was overdone, and that is not, that can be a hazard over time. With that said, I would recommend doing the roof. If it's inside, if it's fine, you could hold off. We've got some gutter, fascia, apron issues. You can see this looks like a rubber roof. I can see the sides of it with the metal. That means that on the other side, it goes underneath this gutter, and on the other side, it's folded over. I remember seeing it up front. There it is. We might have some issues. So there's something that's probably happening with the rubber roof as well that we'll probably have to just repair up there. Again, siding, windows damaged, even the storms are damaged, have to be replaced. Wrap is damaged, has to be replaced. Looks like it's bowing out. So it looks like that this window is, the wrap is coming off, or it's coming apart. The windows, the actual frame is coming apart. The back, we have a storm, but there's a security, but no glass. Some framework, siding, some damaging. So all that is damage. They need to be repaired. This side, the soffit fascia was not wrapped. Same here. It looks like that the fascia was not wrapped. The soffit was, but with a different color. Softening fascia was done and still attached on this side. We have a couple windows wrapped, or it looks like it's wrapped from far away. We'll get a closer look, but the upper part definitely needs to be scraped and painted. So we got some window repair work / replacements possibly. This is wood, so it'd have to be scraped. I do see an electric. Let's go back here and just see if I messed the gas meter. And then we'll go check out the neighborhood. Let's see. Gas meter's up front, so we do have a gas meter, electric service, which is good. We got some cracking happening at this slab in the back. Looks like it should be fine, depending on the inspector, if we're gonna have a code violation. Right here, I know that the concrete is fine, but we do need to make sure that we tuck point this and we caulk it, because you will have issues with water damage. Okay, let's check out this neighborhood. Seems like it's quiet and nice and clean. And it looks like this house next door, it's closed up right now for sale. We have a little bit of damage on the side when it comes to the steps. The steps are going to have to be repaired. This would definitely be a code violation. Looks like that this is a tripping hazard right here. I'm not sure if we're going to just extend this. I'm not sure if that would affect the height of each step, but it looks like there's going to be some repair work that needs to happen here. That's loose. We're going to have to repair. And at this point, everything looks like it's pretty good. So that's your outside. Looks like just there's a lot of scraping and painting up with the porch, but the porch looks good. Okay, let's go inside.